Let's go. People, they're walking here as well, but we need to walk till the very end until we reach the hill. These guys are enjoying since they arrived here, and as soon as we are near the hill, we will also go up and enjoy the sledge ride. On the way, we also encountered this husky and the owner there taking a very quiet walk in this snow. Let's keep walking until we reach to the very end. So we are finally here. So you'll see that there are two partitions, one on the left and the other one is on the right side. So usually on the left side, you do notice that people are sledge riding, but usually here people do snow tubing, and on the right side people usually enjoy with their sledges. Another thing to note is that if you're scared to do this, on the left side, as soon as you will reach the end of the slide, it will go uphill so that it acts as a braking mechanism, so you don't have to worry. If you see the guy on the extreme end will stop by himself because of that braking mechanism. All of this is absolutely free. You need your sledge, but the only task is to go uphill, because after each successful sledge you need to go uphill to do it again. So I have cleaned my sledge and I'm all set to go uphill. So let's take this challenge and go uphill and do the sledge ride. Okay, so I'm done, now it's her turn. There is a skating ring on that side as well if you are interested. That's all for today's video. And I do want to mention that all the activities here are completely free of charge. The only thing you need to get is your sledge and your skates. So if you like the video, please like it, comment on it, and do subscribe to my channel for such fun content.